Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi K90 Pro Max, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings. Then let's scroll down again and find the option Accounts and Sync. And here we've got our previously added Google account. So let me start with removing it. So let's simply tap on it, tap on More, and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again, tap on OK to confirm, and also enter your screen lock to confirm everything. And as you can see, our Google account will immediately disappear. Of course, you can also add the account here in this section, so just tap on Add Account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and of course confirm everything with your screen lock. And here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do it, and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.